Hey, here I will teach you how to open a corporation in Illinois and get your IN number. As a developer, I created my platform. Now I want to create my business. For startups, it's the best to go to Delaware state and based on your physical address, you might need to get foreign qualification document. I'm in state of Illinois and need to register my business with this state. So I go and don't believe that and don't trust to some companies which charge you $600, $300 just to create LLC corp. You don't need anything. It's absolutely free. You just pay some fees and that's it. You go to Google and type open a business in Illinois cyber. Don't trust those links. It's a bullshit. So now you need to understand. So you want to create domestic corporation, non-profit, or limited liability company. So incorporate a corporation. My company called Ventures, Corp. It tells you other ventures. It tells that it shouldn't be the same. You type your name as a registered agent, my address, city. So now you grant stocks, shares, just follow step by step everything. And at the end, you will pay official fees is $150 and plus $3 as a fee. Once you paid it, you submit it, you can choose expedited, which gonna be within 48 hours. Your paperwork will be reviewed, or non-expedited standard, which gonna be reviewed within 10 days. Once you got approval, then you go to IRS. Submit your application. And of course, IRS never works as it's supposed to work. So you just go here and follow step by step procedure. And if you want to get hard copy, they will mail it. But usually I choose PDF version because it's easy for me just to print it out and that's it. I get my IRS. And now, since I have my corporation and IRS, I go to Dance and branch it. Why do I need it? Because if I'm submitting my application to Google Play Store or Apple Store, they require DUNS number. And for some grants, some banks, in order to give you a loan, they require it. You go to DUNS and branch it, you follow instructions and get your DUNS number. Follow my profile. Here I'm talking about business, advertising, and marketing.